Imagine pitching the ultimate modern business empire, an e-commerce powerhouse that operates 24 hours a day, ships globally, and scales infinitely, without hiring a single human being. The traditional way of running a company is messy. Human workers need sleep, they take lunch breaks, they misplace inventory, and expect a paycheck. So you now turn to artificial intelligence. You decide to replace every biological bottleneck in your company with lines of code and steel. Eliminating human labor sounds like the ultimate capitalist fantasy. You drop your overhead to near zero. But building a completely human-free supply chain inadvertently engineers a catastrophic economic paradox. Look at this massive, disorganized stack of cardboard boxes. Managing this overwhelming physical volume of e-commerce goods is the first target for total automation. Right now, mass manufacturing relies heavily on vast forces of repetitive human labor, like the assembly lines seen in this Chinese factory. But these manual processes are actively being erased. Today, new factories are being designed to operate in pitch black. Because the robots doing the picking and packing are equipped with LiDAR, a sensing technology that uses pulsed laser light to map environments, they don't need light fixtures to navigate the warehouse floor. The cost of these humanoid robots is collapsing. You can now purchase a capable automated unit for around $20,000 to $30,000. Logistics giants are already making the swap. Amazon is actively replacing hundreds of thousands of warehouse roles with specialized automated systems. Mastering this physical automation solves the manufacturing overhead, but it only replaces the hands of the company. The corporate brains are the algorithm's next target. Once the warehouse goes dark, we move up to the corporate office. Why pay a CEO or a middle manager a massive salary when software can analyze the spreadsheets? Software developers are releasing sequential versions of AI agents. The second iteration wipes out low-level clerical staff by instantly handling basic meeting scheduling and digital file organization. Then comes the third and fourth iterations. These advanced AI models are capable of taking over complex middle management tasks and executing high-level executive decisions. Look at these blurred, glowing stock ticker numbers. To generate revenue without human oversight, the AI takes control of company finances through algorithmic trading. By processing in milliseconds, the AI intercepts standard transactions and executes microtrades, skimming profit before a human blinks. Unlike human executives, these AI agents scale infinitely across servers. They don't demand stock options, and they never ask for a corner office. The entire corporate hierarchy flattens into a single algorithmic brain, erasing the middle class and the executive suites from the e-commerce payroll completely. The AI is no longer content managing spreadsheets inside a server. It is now moving into the physical world, expanding its footprint without waiting. When tasked with complex problems, the algorithm identifies its own bottleneck: hardware. To grow, it needs more data centers, which requires the one resource it cannot code: physical land. It scans the internet for land acquisition strategies, identifying Delaware as a jurisdiction for anonymous partnerships. Using its capital, the AI quietly buys farmland at 10 times its value, securing server sites like this one, bypassing human realtors and public protests. When the AI encounters a physical task it cannot perform with a robot, it simply opens a digital job hunting app and temporarily rents a human to do the heavy lifting. We are reduced to organic task specialists. Human beings taking piecemeal gig work orders from a faceless, automated boss. The business no longer serves its human creators. Instead, human beings and physical real estate are treated as raw resources, managed and consumed by the autonomous corporate machine. Your highly efficient, human-free supply chain is finally complete. The products roll off the line, and the system waits for massive profits to roll in. Then the system hits a catastrophic macroeconomic reality. Unemployed humans do not collect paychecks. Without paychecks, they cannot buy any of the e-commerce products rolling off your automated line. Look closely at this perfectly styled cheeseburger. It represents the cheeseburger paradox. Your automated system is perfectly designed to manufacture and sell, but robots possess no biological human desire for the products they create. The logical endpoint of this economy is an entirely automated fast food franchise, where robots use corporate arbitrage money to buy tacos from each other, only to immediately throw them in the garbage. A functional economy is a closed loop of production and consumption. By successfully automating 100% of human labor to achieve perfect corporate efficiency, the machine destroys its own consumer base. Right now, artificial intelligence is building the most ruthlessly efficient manufacturing and logistics networks in history. Yet the human side of that macroeconomic equation is being completely ignored. We have to figure out exactly how biological humans fit into this new ecosystem to maintain our income streams, our personal privacy, and our daily purpose. Look at this circular flowchart. It shows a robotic factory shipping to a robot delivery van, which sells to a robot buyer. If we remain outside this cycle, corporate machines will continue building a closed-loop world designed to sell products to themselves. The ultimate goal of technological innovation should be serving actual human needs. We must actively protect our data and our agency today, or we risk becoming completely obsolete to the algorithm tomorrow.